Okay, so in order to build some base images of Coreboot, one has to always set the mainboard configuration to match the target platform. So basically, all we need to do is to go to the mainboard submenu and select the mainboard vendor, model, and sometimes the round chip size. Most of the time we can stick with the default round chip size selection. However, some of the boards may come with different flavors and selecting correct round chip size might be necessary. Below I will present you the mainboard settings for the QEMU, which will be used later in the next course. So basically for the QEMU we select the emulation vendor and select the mainboard as QEMU x86 Q35 ICH9, and the default round chip size will be 2 megabytes. So now we don't need to do anything more. We just navigate to the save button with the tab to save the configuration file and basically exit to leave the menu. Remember, before you switch any mainboard, always run the make disk clean. So let's quickly see how it goes. We go to the mainboard menu, and it seems I have already selected the right chip. It's the QEMU Q35 and the ROM size of 2 megabytes. And here I can navigate with the tab and the arrows to save to the default file .config in the root coreboot directory. OK, configuration written, nice, and then exit. And again exit, and that's basically it.